Hello there, my friend. I'm Barb Pritchard of Infinity Brand Design, and I'm going to show you how to resize your template here within Canva. Okay, so let's say you have Canva Pro, but maybe you're like, wait, they changed things up. How do I do this again? So you just left click over here on Magic Switch. So you just come over here, and maybe you want to do your own custom size. You can do that. You can left click over here and you can type in your own digits, width, whatever. You can change it from pixels to inches, millimeters, centimeters, all of that goodness, whatever you want to do. You can also search in, maybe you want to change this to, let's say, Instagram story size, and boom, you can just left click on that, click continue, and it'll work its magic for you. But let's say, for example, maybe you don't have the free version, or maybe you don't have the pro version of Canva. Maybe you're working with the free version of Canva. That's okay, my friend. I've got you covered. So what you can do in that case is you come over here to the button next to it. You left click on File, and you create a new design. From there, you could either do custom size and type in 1080 by 1920, or you could search for it up here, or you could just scroll down here for it. So there are other ways. You can, like I said, you can do 1080 by 1920. You could do it that way, or you could search for it and do it right here. It's all kinds of ways. So I'm just going to left click on Instagram story. It's going to open up its own tab, give you a blank canvas, and we're ready to go. So I'm going to click back over here on the template itself, click on that tab, and I'm going to make that menu go away. Now what I'm going to do is I just want this part right here. I don't want the rest of this, okay? So I'm going to put my mouse cursor right up here, and I'm going to left click and drag to this part right here. This is all I want, and then I'm going to release. So I just highlighted that, and I'm going to do Control C as in Charles, or Command C if you're on a Mac, and then I'm going to click over here on that new tab. And then I'm going to left click on that blank canvas, just letting it know, hello, I would like to paste my goodness onto you. Okay, and now I'm going to do just that. I'm going to do Control V as in Victor, or Command V if you're on a Mac, and boom, it put it right there on the canvas. So now what I'm going to do is, you see these little basically adjustment bars, if you will, little adjustment handles. So I'm going to grab those, just left click and drag again, and I'm just going to grab those, and I'm going to just make my adjustments to get it to fit as it will to the best of my ability. I want to keep some spacing, make sure everything fits appropriately. So there we go. I'm going to now try to get it to center. Oh, there we go. See that little line right here? It's trying to get it to center. I like that. We're good. We're centered there. But I want this to fit. So what I'm going to do, drag that there. Drag that there. I'm okay with this button not going all the way across. Totally could make that happen. I am going to actually, I'm going to make this center. Whoop. Oh no. What happens when we do that? We can just click undo or Control Z. I'm going to grab these. I'm going to center that. Whoop. You see me kind of doing this on the fly. There we go. Okay. Boom. And we are good. There we go. So now that is how you can resize an image without having Canva Pro. Hope that was helpful, my friend.